Hello guys, welcome back to Mithil Infotech, and today we are going to see how you can create a beautiful menu for your website with just few lines of code of CSS and HTML. So let's see how we can do this thing. Okay, so first of all, let we create our HTML document so that we can see changes whatever we are going to do. Okay, so first of all, I am creating my HTML file, a simple HTML menu. So I am using here the title menu and just closing this thing, and link I will give it later. Okay, I am first completing my rest of the things. Here we are also using the div tag because div tag is very useful for while creating a website. Okay, and right now we don't have many pages, so I'm using a dummy hash for just creating this thing. Okay, the first is home and just copy pasting these things. So now time to close the div and then body, and finally the HTML. Let's see, save it. I'm saving this file with the name menu creation.html. Let me show you the present current interface of this. So this is my creation web page menu in the beginning of this. So now we are going to create our CSS file so that we can make this hyperlinks a beautiful, convert it into a beautiful menu. Okay, so I am using opening one more notepad tab. Okay, so first of all I have to mention the div things, so that's why I'm using a div selector here. First of all, I am changing the background color of it so that you can observe the changes. So you can give any color. I am using HTML color code site for this purpose. You can take a lot of color codes from here. Whatever color you like, you can just use the hexacode of that color. Like I like that color. Okay, let's use it. So I am using this color, and okay, let's first of all save this file. I'm giving here menu.css. Let's save it. Now let's jump on our HTML file because we have to give the reference link here. So style sheet and href equals to menu.css. Now let's go on our web browser so that we can check. See, this is the interface. The div background has been changed now, so we can make it more attractive now. And so for that, I'm using the okay. Rest things we can do later, but now first of all we go for the anchor CSS. So for that, I'm using this. First of all, I am using the text decoration property. Set it to none. None. Next, font size, I am changing the font size. Like this font is looking very small in size, so I am using 20 pixels. Let's save it and run it. Now it looks quite bigger, but not that much visible, so I am making it little bit more. large. Okay, this is good. Okay, now I am using like this is looks very close, so I am making a padding here, 5 pixels. Okay, so it will be segregated with each other and looks quite good. Okay, if you want to make this menu options in the center of the div tag, then you can use a text align equals to center in the div. Okay, so text align center. Okay, so all the menus option will come in the center of the screen. Okay, now we can change the color of the menus also, so you can opt a color as per your choice. So let's choose this. Let's see how it look. Okay, let's save it. Switch on this window. Okay, it's not that much visible, so we can change the color. Okay, let's use this one. No, the previous one is looks much good. Yeah, this color looks quite good. Okay, if you feel that this is at just the beginning of the page, so you can shift it little bit below. Okay, for that you just need to use the margin property of, so let's use the margin property, margin top. I just want to down it, so I'm using the margin top property, and you can give whatever amount of size you want to move it, so it's shifted below. Okay, now when you click on this, it is not working because currently we don't have any much pages, so we use dummy content. So we put the hash in the our HTML file, which works similar to a hyperlink page, but we can make it more beautiful. Let's see how. Like the div tag is very much small in size. The content is not that much looking quite good. So I'm setting the padding of it also. Okay, so padding equals to, you can set it like I'm using 10 pixels padding. So see, it looks little much good. Okay, now if you can observe, okay, first of all let's finish it, save it. Our menu has been created like, okay, but if you want to put some kind of animation, so we have a property called h over on the anchor tag, so I'm using that property h over, and inside this we need to change the background color so that you can see the changes when we move our cursor on that menu. So you can opt choose for the color, like this color I want when my mouse come over the menu. Okay, and I also want to change the margin, so you feel like there is some kind of animation there. Let's refresh the page. See, it's look like that all the menus is moving from one side to another. Okay, so guys, have you've seen how simple is that? You can also change the font color while your mouse pointer over the menu or option. Okay, for so you just need to use the color property. color equals to choose your required or favorite color from the list. So this is my color. Now I'm refreshing this. See, check this thing, but it not look that quite that much good. So I am again going to change the color of my menu while I am on dragging my mouse over the menus. So which color we can take some more dark color. So you can change the color too. Okay. So guys, I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please share and subscribe. In the next part of this menu creation, I will show you how you can create a sub menu of list by using a list. Okay. So till the time you can practice this thing. Okay. Bye bye guys.